Hey guys, so today I just decided that I'm going to go ahead and do this video on how I wrap my hair up like this. I actually got the look from Lipstick&Curls, but a lot of people ask me how to do this, and when I tell them to go watch her video, they don't and come back and ask me how I do it again later, especially you, Mom. So today we're going to go ahead and start with our hair looking a mess, which is why we are wrapping it like that in the first place. Yes, I do know I look like a ragamuffin, but it's okay, we're going to fix that. So we're going to take our long scarf. It doesn't have to be super long. It just needs to be long enough to wrap around your head comfortably, by the way. Let's make sure it's big enough. We're going to lay it flat on the back of our heads, and it is key that we have it laying flat, that way your head doesn't look all lumpy and weird. And then we're just going to pull our ears out, that way we know how tight to fit it. From there, we're going to go ahead and make sure it's laying properly on our edges how we would like, and then start twisting. We're going to twist the front of it, like how I'm holding it right there. We're going to start twisting that part separately and then kind of gradually add in more and more of the scarf. That way it fits tighter and it lays your edges smoother and your head doesn't look all lumpy and weird. Also, please make sure that you are not twisting your hair into the scarf, because I actually do that a lot, by the way. So just go ahead and check on that and then twist down the rest of the length of the scarf. It's actually pretty quick, which is why we're doing it in real time. So once you got the scarf twisted all the way to the ends, you just start wrapping. It's actually pretty simple. I like to, while I'm doing it, check to make sure that I'm kind of shaping it along the way. We're going to shape it more later, but you know, it doesn't hurt to shape it while you're wrapping it. That way you have less shaping to do later. And if you don't like it the first time you wrap it, it only took a second anyway, you can, you know, do it again. Once you have it all layered the way you want to, you can go ahead and tuck those ends in. Sometimes if you wrap it just right, you can even leave the ends out if they're all tassely like mine. If you like it, you know, if that's what you are in the mood for, you can leave them out. I am not in the mood for that today, so I tucked those bad boys in. But just do a little fluffing and now you're done. That's the look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.